Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the backup or reverse light bulb on this 2008 Toyota Tundra. First, open the tailgate. Remove these two bolts using a T30 Torx bit. There's a pin right here that comes out this way, so we need to disengage it. You can either grab the light and pull on it with your hands, or you can use a trim tool like this just to gently pop it out. So now this light housing is free. The backup light bulb is this guy right here at the bottom. Grab the connector or housing of the bulb and turn it counterclockwise and then pull it straight out. You can put the light assembly back so it's easier to work on. And then to remove it, just pull straight on it like this. The part number of the light bulb is 921, and you can check the links below the video for where to get a replacement. So grab your new one. You can install it either way, it doesn't matter, and insert it and pop it in. It's best not to touch the glass with bare hands, they say, so you don't get oils on it and reduce the longevity of the bulb. I've got gloves on, so I'm not too worried. And then you have the little tabs on here, so you just need to line up the wide ones with the wider cutouts in these holes. And then turn clockwise until it stops like this. And then these are the two tabs that we need to install into these two grommets right here for the light to clip in. This wire goes in here, and then install the two claws into the grommets. Now reinstall these two bolts with the T30 Torx heads and tighten them. The manufacturer does not provide a torque spec for them, so they just go into little clips on a plastic light, so they don't need to be super tight, maybe like 5 or 7 foot-pounds, but just snug them up until they feel like they're not gonna loosen themselves on their own. Okay, and now we can close the tailgate. And that's it. The job is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Toyota Tundra maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.